Hello everyone, my name is Michael Sundberg with Hendo.Today, and today I'm going to talk about my new PC build here. I'm also running my old PC, which I built back in 2018. It has the Threadripper 1950X AMD and also 64 gigs of RAM, but I upgraded to this one, but I'm running them both for different projects. I have the old PC on this monitor here, and then I have my new PC on this monitor here. This PC, I'm running AMD Ryzen 9 9950X with the MSI Meg X870 GODLIKE motherboard. The Meg X870 GODLIKE motherboard is one of the new motherboards out that supports the new 5th generation M.2 hard drives, which are extremely fast hard drives. Here on this table we see the breakdown of speeds of the various hard drives. The HDD are mechanical hard drives that rotate at either 5,600 rotations per minute or 7,200 rotations per minute. Those hard drives are connected by SATA cables to the motherboard. The SSD doesn't rotate, but it is connected by SATA cable to the motherboard. This is the 1st generation SSD. Now the M.2 SSDs are embedded in the motherboard, and as you can see, the read and write speeds are amazing compared to the HDDs. I'm utilizing 3 crucial T705s in this machine here that are embedded in the motherboard. And also I'm utilizing the RTX 3090 24 gigabyte graphics card and CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 96 gigabytes of RAM. One of the things that makes this such a great machine is because I can go in and edit. If I'm doing something in programs like After Effects or Premiere Pro, I can do color adjustments, and also I can do animations on beats for like music videos, and that way everything flows real nicely, and I can kind of get into the groove of the production that I'm producing. So if you like to have your videos edited, processed, or you want me to do some Photoshop work for you, just give me a call. Thank you.